The Abramson Pediatric Eye Institute is responsible for an endowed chair in pediatric ophthalmology, which currently supports the work of Dr. Richard Lang, in addition to funding from the NIH and the NEI.
There was a big need to expand the research capabilities of the ophthalmology division that had very little research at that stage. So between the two of us, we came up with a plan: recruit some basic researchers, put on top of that some researchers who were interested in human genetics, because they would have to talk to the clinicians as well as the basic researchers, and they would really act as a bridge between the two halves that are traditionally quite separate.
So we've grown from the two of us to be 6 pediatric ophthalmologists, including 1 pediatric retina specialist, 3 pediatric optometrists, and 6 basic scientists, plus all of the helpers that we need, including graduate students, postdoctoral students, and nurses and technicians to help us fulfill our mission.
We have a variety of subjects represented. We have, for example, a researcher, Nadine Brown, who is interested in the development of the retina. My own lab has an interest in some of the vascular diseases of the eye.
We see babies that are newborn babies as small as 1 pound or 2 in the intensive care unit, screening for retinopathy of prematurity. We see other newborn babies who may have malformations of the eyes or of the visual pathways. The most common thing that we see is amblyopia, or lazy eye, which is poor sight in one or both eyes due to the eyes being misaligned or out of focus relative to each other.
The patient pool that we have available through the clinical side is a very valuable resource for doing genetic analysis.
Cincinnati Children's Division of Pediatric Ophthalmology is changing the outcome by recruiting and retaining top-flight surgeons and clinicians to provide both primary and tertiary pediatric eye care, and also by recruiting and retaining top-flight researchers to provide the best research that we can for Cincinnati Children's.